This is tool aids number 18600, open barrel crimping tool. It crimps most open barrel terminals such as Deutsch, computer sensor, WeatherPack, and Molex. Deutsch terminals are also known as stamped and formed terminals. It's typically used with 14 to 24 gauge wire. It has a thin profile to allow you to get into recessed areas. It has a nice jaw action, which makes for a better crimp. To use it, you'll see positions identified. The positions are stamped into the nose there. You take the terminal. In this gauge, we're using 18 gauge. So we take the 18 gauge position. We set the terminal. Insert the wire. You squeeze. That does step one. Step two, you find the other 18 gauge position. You insert the terminal. Right now we're crimping the tabs over the insulation part of the wire. You put it in place, you squeeze, and now your Deutsch terminal is properly crimped. The 18600 open barrel crimping tool.